Hello and welcome, everyone. In this video, we're going to explore the new sync settings in vitepos. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And if you've already subscribed, thank you for being part of our community. Let's dive in. First, navigate to the vitepos admin panel, then go to the Settings tab and click on Sync Settings. Note, we recommend using Pusher for syncing, especially if you have a large number of products. It's more efficient and effective for real-time synchronization. In the sync settings, you'll find two types of configurations. One when Pusher is enabled and the other when Pusher is not enabled. Let's first check the settings when Pusher is enabled. Here, you can define custom intervals for both product sync and order sync. You'll see options to set the sync time according to your needs. We recommend setting the interval to 30 minutes or 1 hour if you have a large number of products. This helps ensure proper syncing without performance issues. Next, let's look at the settings when Pusher is not enabled. The options are quite similar. You can still set custom intervals for syncing products and orders based on your requirements, even without using Pusher. When Pusher is not used, syncing will depend on the browser, meaning data will sync based on browser activity, not in real time. That's why we recommend using the Pusher. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share for more updates. Thanks for watching.